Hello everyone, welcome to this pair programming session with me where we are about to add so many different captions to Velocaption. So these are the presets that have been shipped with the 2.6. After this video we'll be releasing the 2.7. And it works in a way where you are able to define base styles like max lines, then you can decide how big is the max font size, and it will decide automatically based on the amount of words in the phrase, based on the max lines, max width, max font size, it will decide how to properly shape them. And as you see, we have the classical little background following the active word, because that's the whole point. You have different kind of backgrounds. So you can have a simple one, you can have the full width, more like Snapchat. You can have the one that adapts to the shape of the text, or the word following box. And you can also decide which kind of highlighting you can have. So you can have no highlighting at all, or you can have only the current word, like this one, or you can even define some styles for the words that come before, like in this case, they are purple. Now, the cool thing is that you just save it, and at any point you can go into your captions, like this one, and you see, it's right here. So this is captions editor. It does auto transcriptions of what you're saying in your video. And you can decide how big you want your phrases to be, stuff like that. You can move them around. It's going to automatically do interpolation and transitions between them. But most importantly, you can just select which one you want to use for this specific video, you see? So now I want this one, which spares you a lot of time during your video post-processing. This video that you're seeing has been done this way. But what we are actually doing is to be able to obtain all these styles that I've been doing screenshots to, like this one, you know, the classical ones. So I went to my boy here, Gemini, I asked him, hey, can I legally do this? And he told me, yeah, I mean, don't just don't do them pixel perfectly identical and you're gonna be good. All right. And then I told it, hey, I'm about to provide you with a ZOD schema that entirely describes how it's possible to configure captions and text styles in my application. I will later provide you with a series of screenshots containing text styles I want to achieve. But before, please read the schema and ask me questions to be sure that you entirely understand. You know, this is a really important step. You always want to be sure that you're speaking the same language. And then I just gave it the big ZOD schema, the same one that you see here. This one here, it's just a ZOD schema that maps perfectly what you've seen in the UI to what later on is injected into the worker that encodes the video. Right on. So he made me some questions. Now I'm gonna make a coffee, stop the video to answer to it. What is going on, my friend? Let's see. Oh, we did it. Here are 6 distinct captions, and we have a pack of JSON. You know what? We just get it. And I'm gonna completely nuke the previous preset. Don't care. Ciao. Goodbye. And since I am in the development mode, it should automatically. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay. This is read-only, by the way. The presets are read-only, but you can clone to edit at any point. Yeah, boy. Let's do all of them now. Gotta love my multimodal. Let's do them. You know what? Let's push it. 2 all together. And go. Welcome to the future, old man. It is a robust JSON containing distinct captions. Now I need to know if it is overlapping or not. Style classic outline. So okay, it's giving me the full one. I will tell it to okay, but from now on, just give me the new ones. I'll be sure to concatenate them in the code base. Focus on the one on the task, boy. So this is the new JSON. Let's see if oh yes, we have many more. Look, okay. Yeah, maybe I have to change a bit the background in case there is a dark one, but also sti cazzi. You know what? I'm actually getting really lazy. So I already gave it to it. What did we gave trending. Oh wait, the trending ones. Now I'm gonna just upload the whole folder and I want to see if we can one-shot all of them. So import code, upload folder. Now let me swim in my trash, in my dump. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Okay, docs. And here we go. This is the whole folder. Upload. Yes, go for it. And go. So I'm giving a full folder filled only with images. Supposedly, it should be able to do it all by itself. Let's see. Folks, by the way, I cannot wait to play the new Resident Evil. Here are new 5 distinct. Why only 5? Why only 5? Stop being lazy. Give me all. What has this job become? It may seem that we are just playing around. We are. I had prepared everything in a way that I could simply provide pictures to Gemini so that I don't waste my juicy cloud tokens. And you know, it just have to give me a JSON. It doesn't have to create everything from zero. Everything must be conveyed in the already existent system. So now it says, yeah, you got it, and it's actually writing a bunch of stuff. Let's see. I probably will have to retouch some of them manually, which I will do later on off screen, and then release today. Hey, there is only one last place, and then the price goes up. Yeah, welcome to my advertisement. Better Call Saul! It's probably really cringe, right? It's the first time I'm doing a video like this. Okay, it's doing a lot of text captions, which is nice. I will probably have to categorize them and put them under some tags. You know, who cares? Who cares? We will see. We'll see. We want to ship quickly, and then we iterate and do these little refinements. Like, let's go. All right. So before I told it that I will do the merging myself. So let's go a bit further. Go to the end. You go here, and let's join the maps together like this. Comma. Thank you very much. Here we are. Oh wow. Is this Stranger Things? Very nice. Look how many. Look how many done. Pre-made, pre-done. You can just pick the one that you like. I think they are enough for now. Okay. I see that it was a bit lazy regarding the highlighting, because I always see the same kind of highlighting, like purple. Purple doesn't even have an highlighting, which, I mean, it's okay. Can be. Not all of them have to. This one also, they don't have highlighting. Not super happy about it. Yellow with backstroke. I mean, they're not that bad. I mean, it's alright. Let's see. No highlighting as well. You know what? Let's do something before going forward. So, zoom out. Give me my friend Gemini Flash. Now we're using Gemini Flash, and we tell it go through file presets style data and ensure that at least 50% of the captions presets have highlighting, backgrounds, and it confirms there are no highlight, no background, update and implementation, blah blah blah. Let me see it. Okay, found some of them. It's going. Go for it. It updated the caption preset variety as requested. Over 72% of the presets now have highlighting and backgrounds. Very good. I mean, it's just JSON. Cannot break it. Also, if it breaks, we will know because the application will tell me. Now, of course, I'm gonna go through all of them singularly before releasing, but let's pick like yellow with red shadow. What is it? Yellow with red shadow, the classical one. And, I mean, yeah, it kind of sucks. And now I'm gonna clone it. Later, I'm gonna update the actual preset. But I will do something different. I will do something like, at least I give it some border, you know? Yeah, well, you see, you just needed some border, probably. A bit of border here, a bit of border there. We want something different from the shadow. We want something more like orange. No, I don't like the blurring. We can give it a bit more offset. So, you know, you can do your own. You know what? Maybe we need some border also on the basic ones. Yes, like this. The color, a bit like that. Rayon. And you go here. I should have renamed it, but here you go. And you have the actual caption. Let me mute this. And you see, everything works fine. Now, this was the first time I record a video like this. I'm trying to not be a perfectionist. I used to be. Now I just want to ship quickly. And if it means that I have to take such a dumb video like this one, okay. I will, of course, post-process it. Probably it's not going to be as bad as it is now in my mind. Thank you for watching this. Let me know what else we can add, and have a nice day. Do not FOMO. It's time to go for a walk. First a shower and then a nice walk, okay?